Low disk space warning in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you quick and easy ways to free up space and fix it. First, open File Explorer. Now expand this PC. Right-click on Local Disk, usually the C drive. Click on Properties. Here, check Compress this drive to save disk space. Click Apply, then click OK. Click Continue when asked. Now wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, close the window. Solution 2. Repair system files using command prompt. Now search for CMD in Windows Search. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow. Type prompt and press Enter. Now type sfc/scanfile equals C /Windows/system32/ieframe.dll and press Enter. After that, type sfc/verifyfile equals C /Windows/system32/ieframe.dll and press Enter. Next, type association and press Enter. Finally, type exit and press Enter to close command prompt. That's it. These steps should help reduce disk usage and fix low disk space warnings. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.